Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classes. Yesterday we have finished about coordinate geometry. Now today we are going to study about a new chapter, chapter 4, that is linear equation in two variables. You already know about linear equation in one variable. First we will know what is variable. Variable means a thing whose value varies. Now here we have studied about linear equation in one variable. Example, for example, x plus 1 is equal to 0. If you want to find out the value of x from this equation, we will take the value of x at x is equal to minus 1. That means this linear equation in one variable, that which has only one variable x, has only one solution, that is it has only unique solution. Now we study about linear equation in two variables. Now from this we can first interpret the result that if you add for the solution of linear equation in one variable, the solution, if you add or subtract same number from both the sides, the solution remains same. It doesn't affect it. Similarly, when you multiply or divide both the sides of equation by same non-zero number, as you want to divide, it must be non-zero number because we cannot divide by 0. So when you multiply or divide both the sides of the equation by same non-zero number, once again the solution remains unaffected. Now next is the linear equation in two variables. Now suppose we will take the example. Now, one particular student, let it be Geeta, she got 125 marks out of 200 in two subjects, mathematics and math. You don't know how many marks she got in math and how many she got in math. Let us science. So let us assume that she got x marks in math and y marks in science. So there are two subjects, we will use two variables, x and y. She got x marks in math and y marks in science. So what is the sum total of both these? It is 125. So x plus y is equal to 125. So here we are using two variables x and y. Once again, Geeta got 125 marks in 9th standard out of 200 in two subjects, mathematics and science. So we have assumed that she got x marks in math, y marks in science. So sum total of both is x plus y is equal to 125. This is the interpretation. Now linear equation in two variables, it can be represented in the form, general form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where x and y are the two variables, a, b, c are real number and a and b are non-zero number. We can use x, y, p, q, these symbols for representing the variable. Now we will see the exercise 4.1 first question. What is that question? The cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. What is given? The cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. So cost of notebook, let assume that the cost of notebook is x and that of cost of pen is y. So what is the relationship given? The cost of notebook which we assume x and that is that of pen we assume y, and relationship between both these is x is double of y, it is twice y. So we can write it as x is equal to 2y. If you want to write it in general form, we can write it in this way, x minus 2y is equal to 0. This is first question. Now second question, exercise 4.1 second question. Now here express the following linear equations in the form a plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c respectively. Now this, whatever sums they are given, first we have to write it in general form and then write down the value of a, b and c. Now 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 bar. We will write it in general form. So it is 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar is equal to 0. This is the general form. Now what is the value of a? Compare this with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So value of a here, x, here it is 2x. So value of a is 2, value of b is 3 and value of c is minus 3.5 bar. So it is 2, 3, minus 9.35 bar. Now once again next question is x minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. This is already in general form, a plus by plus c. So we don't have to change it. So value of x is, here it is not written, so it is 1. Value of b is 1 by 5. And that value of c is minus 10. Third, minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. This is not in general form. So first write it in general form. So minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. So when you compare with both this, so this is value of a is minus 2, value of b is 3, value of c is minus 6. Now next, fourth question, x is equal to 3y. See, constant is not given, right? It is general form first. So x minus 3y is equal to 0. So now, value of a is 1, value of b is minus 3, value of c 0. It is not given. Next, 2x is equal to minus 5y. So we will write it in general form. 2x minus 5y is equal to plus 5y is equal to 0. So value of a is 2, b is 5, c is 0. Next is 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now y term is missing. So value of a is 3, b 0 and c constant which is 2. Now next, y minus 2 is 0. That is x term is missing. So value of a is 0, y is 1, b is 1 and c is minus 2. Last one, phi is equal to 2x. We will write it in general form. So we can write it in this way, 2x minus phi is equal to 0. So value of a is 2, this one is 0 and constant is minus 5. We have seen that linear equation in one variable has only one solution. Now we will try to find out the solution of linear equation in two variables. Now first example which we consider is x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now we will try to find out the different solution. We will take the different values of x and for the different values of x we will try to find out the value of y. So first value which we take x is equal to 0. Now we will substitute the value of x here and try to find out the value of y. So if we substitute x is equal to 0, it will be x 0 plus 2y is equal to 6. Therefore 2y is equal to 6. So what is the value of y? 6 upon 2, that is 3. Here we will write different value. If value of x is 0, we will get the value of y as 3. Now we will consider this second one. X is equal to 1. So if we substitute the value of x as 1, so 1 plus 2y is equal to 6. Therefore 2y is equal to 6 minus 1. 2y is equal to 6 minus 1, which is 5. Therefore y is equal to 5 by 2. So for value of x1, we will get the value of y as 5 by 2. Now next step, we will consider the value of x as 2. Third one, x is equal to 2. In that case, x plus 2y is equal to 6. So 2 plus 2y is equal to 6. So 2y is equal to 6 minus 2, which is 4. So y is equal to 4 upon 2, which is 2. So if we take the value of x as 2, we will get the value of y as 2. Now we will take the value of x as 3. Plus 2y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 3, which is 3. So value of y is equal to 3 upon 2. So for value of x is equal to 3, we will get the value of y as 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2. Now we consider the value of x as 4. So here it is x plus 2y is equal to 6. So 4 plus 2y is equal to 6. 2y is equal to 6 minus 4, which is 2. So y is equal to 2 by 2, that is 1. So now, for each and every value of x, we are getting different value of y. That is, the linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions, which we have done here. And now these solutions, they can be written in the form of order pair. they can be written in the form of ordered pair. Just as we will write one by one. First is 0, 3. If the value of x is 0, we will get the value of y as 3. So first we will write the value of x, second we will write the value of y. Second one, if we consider the value of x as 1, we will get the value of y as 5 by 2. Third one we can write in the form 2, 2. Fourth one 3, 3 by 2, like that. So these are ordered pairs. Okay. Now we will solve exercise 4.2. First question of exercise 4.2 is state whether of given statement are true or false. X or y equal to 3x plus 5 has how many solutions? First is unique solution, only two solutions, infinitely many solutions. Now we have already done this sum. We know that every linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions and therefore it has infinitely many solutions. This option is true. Now next one, write 4 solutions for each of the following. Now in this question there are 3 questions. Out of that 3 questions we will solve second one, which is 5x plus y is equal to 9. 5x plus y is equal to 9, and we will take the different value of x, and for that we will try to different values of y. For that we will find out different value of x. So consider the value of x as 0. So substitute this value of x in here. 5x plus y is equal to 9. If x is equal to 0, pi into 0 plus y is equal to 9. This value is 0. 0 plus y 9. So y value of pi. Now for x is equal to 1. So pi into x plus y is equal to 9. So substitute the value of x as 1. So pi plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 minus 5. Take the value of x as 2. So pi into 2 plus y is equal to 9. So 2 pi plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 minus 2 pi. Now this we get 3 values. Fourth we will do it here. Or here x is equal to 3. So pi into 3 plus y is equal to 9. 3 pi plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 minus 3 pi. So for this we consider that we have taken value of x as 0, 1, 2 and 3. And for these different values we will get a different value of y. If x is equal to 0, so this term 0, value of y is 9. So solution is 0, 9. Second solution, if x is equal to 1, so this is pi, y is equal to 9 minus 5. Second solution is 1, 9 minus 5. Third solution, value of x is 2, so value of y is 9 minus 2y. 9 minus 2 pi. If value of x is 3, then that is 9 minus 3 pi. So these are the 4 solutions in form of ordered pair. Third question. Check which of the following are the solutions of x minus 2y equal to 4. Now linear equation in two variables is x minus 2y equal to 4, and out of that we will solve third and fourth. So third, substitute the value of these 4 as x and 0 as y and it is given in the form of ordered pair. So we will do it. X minus 2y is equal to 4. Substitute the value of x as 4. So it is 4 and value of y 2 is equal to 4 into 2 into 0. Value of y is 0. So which is 4. What is the LHS given? This part is LHS and RHS which is given is already 4. X minus 2y, this part is LHS, RHS is 4. So this LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore 4, 0 is the solution of x minus 2y equal to 4. Now let's solve this. Now we'll consider the value of x as root 2 and value of y as 4 root 2. So x LHS x minus 2y equal to, substitute the value of x as root 2, value of y as 4 root 2. root 2 minus 2 4 the 8. 8 root 2, which is minus 7 root 2. RHS, here LHS is not equal to RHS, as this minus 7 root 2 is not equal to 4. So this root 2, 4 root 2 is not a solution. Not a solution of given linear equation in two variables. Now we will solve question number 4. Exercise 4.2 question 4. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Now we already know the solution, we have to find out the value of k here. We will substitute the value of x as well as y. So 2 into value of x is 1, value of y is, value of x is 2 and value of y is 1. Value of y is 1. So after substitution, 2 to the 4, 3 1 the 3. So we get the value of k as 7. Now with this we have finished 4.1 and 4.2. Now you have to do the remaining sums of exercise 4.2.